Hi guys, today I want to share you quick tips about how to change the Power Apps portal uh, website logo. Okay, so normally if you use the edit site header to change the site logo, it always didn't work. So you can see I have changed this already, but it didn't work. It's still the original logo. So today I will show you my my solution to change the logo. Okay, firstly let's go to uh, the port management, then go to the content snippets. Then we'll search mobile header. Then we find the mobile header for our portal site. This one, just uh, look at this website. Okay, let's open it, and you will see the code here. It's HTML code, and you can see the image source is logo.png, right? Then we can copy this, then go to web file. Okay, copy and paste here, then just change the logo. No, sorry, search the logo. Then we find the logo.png web file related to your portal site. Which one should be this one? Okay, open it. So here you can create a new web file, then change the HTML in the content snippet, or you can reuse the current one. Just replace the logo file. So you can go to the Notes tab, then click the pencil, then just change the logo file. For example, use my logo. Save. Then just save and close. Then just go back to the content snippet because I want to change more. Mobile header. So here, if you want to change the site title, so you can change here. Hello Smart. Yeah, that's it. And this text is, when you put your mouse cursor on the logo, it will show this text. Let's change it as well. Smart. We just keep the image source and change. Save, close. Then just go back to the portal, sync, and preview. So here you can see the logo has been changed, and also I changed the title. So if you find, okay, the logo is not changed, so the only reason is the cache. Just clear the cache, then try again. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this tips is helpful for you. Thank you.